On today's menu, an appetizer so delicious and so affordable you won't have to crunch the numbers. Easy bruschetta.
Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. If you haven't had a chance, check out my Kickstarter project on the first ever vegan ramen cookbook. Be sure to click the link above. Now this is one of my favorite appetizers.
Preheat your oven to 350. Bread. Line your bread on a baking tray. Bake in the oven for 2 to 4 minutes. Roma tomatoes. Salt. Pepper. Mix.
And just take a nice piece of garlic and just grate on that amazing garlic flavor.
Tomatoes.
This beautiful dark slate board is going to provide that beautiful contrast.
Basil.
And just be generous with that amazing basil. And just finish that off with a little bit of olive oil.
You can now make this amazing bruschetta with absolute confidence.
One of the easiest and most beautiful appetizers around. Just incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Thank you for joining me on my channel. If you're interested in my vegan ramen cookbook project on Kickstarter, you can click the link here. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.